お願いいたします。
तो आप ये देख रहे थे टोक्यो से सीधे दृश्य। टोक्यो में क्वाड के विदेश मंत्रियों की बैठक में भारत के विदेश मंत्री एस जयशंकर का संबोधन। और अब फिर से रुक करते हैं भारत के चैंपियंस का। तो कांस्य पदक जीतने के बाद जो मनु भाकर हैं, उन्होंने कहा कि ओलंपिक पदक की जो उनकी यह यात्रा है ये बेहद चुनौतीपूर्ण रही। मनु ने कहा कि उन्होंने अपना ध्यान भंग नहीं होने दिया और लक्ष्य पर नजर बनाए रखी। मनु ने हौसला बढ़ाने के लिए प्रधानमंत्री के प्रति आभार भी प्रकट किया। मनु भाकर से खास बात की हमारे संवाददाता नारायण सिंह ने।
History has been created at the Paris Olympics as Manu Bhaker became the first woman shooter to win a medal for India at the Olympics. Manu, congratulations, winning the first medal, becoming the first women shooter to win a medal for India. So, taking a look at your journey, last time it was upset at the Tokyo, and now standing at the Olympic podium, how you define this journey, how you look this journey?
Definitely, like any other journey, it's been very challenging, especially in the tough times. You have to be brave. You have to be. You have to try to hold yourself together. That okay, this time will pass. This will also pass in some time. And when I look back, I will be proud of myself that I kept up and I did not lose myself in the the low phase. So definitely it's been a roller coaster for me because I have had so many victories, then so many losses also. Then again this beautiful medal for all of us. So yes, now I look back and I feel like this all was worth it.
Talk about the qualification, you are looking cool, confident, and you are hopeful that you will carry that qualification form in the finals. So you exactly did that. So what went through your mind when you won in the qualification and throughout the night, what went?
So the qualification round was normal, like how I shoot usually. It was like that only. And same was in the finals also. I was just trying to give my best and I was not hoping for anything. Even if the things go badly or even if I win the gold or whatever it goes, I just wanted to give my best. So yeah, my eyes were only on that.
So before going to the games, you people interacted with the PM Modi and you also mentioned about the schemes like Hello India. So PM Modi also gave some important tips like the sound sleep. So when the Prime Minister of the country gives such interactions, such tips, how helpful all these things are for the athletes like you?
Honestly, it motivates us a lot that he takes out of so many things that he has to do in his entire day, and he must be even busier than us. So it just makes me feel like okay, he is such a busy man and he takes out so much of his time and energy for all the athletes. So yes, that's a moment of motivation, and that just pushes all the athletes to do even better because so many people are looking forward to them, so many people support them, and people love them so much. So same in my case, I feel loved, I feel supported, so I'm grateful for that.
So here we can see that the way Manu Bhaker has won the medal for India. She also mentioned how the tips from PM Modi are helping the athletes, and her more events we are lined up, and we are hoping that she will continue this winning momentum there also and win more medals and more laurels for the country. With camera person Senthil, Narayan Singh, Paris.
पेरिस ओलंपिक में भारत को मनु भाकर द्वारा पहला पदक दिलाने पर